This is what the Seadoo looked like before I polished it and replaced the seat cover. Here's a closer look at how dirty the ski really was. This is what I use to clean up glue residue, polish, and brighten skis. I use brake clean and rubbing compound to clean up the glue residue and the rough spots, then I use polish after that. The ski turned out really nice with a custom seat cover and a fresh coat of marine wax. If you like this video, smash the like button, and if you want to see more cool jet ski videos, subscribe to my channel.